Hiya, so it's Saturday the 4th of June. Sorry I'm squinting, but the sun's right in my eyes. So you're getting 2 vids today. I must be in a good mood. Spoiling you. Although probably the last video I put up with me making a mess of grinding that anode off was probably rather boring. So I thought I might show you around the wharf. I've got to nip out and down the shop and get some food for later. So I thought I might as well show you around and have a little chat about Merlin, because I've had some quite good news about him. Let me just get off of this. I'll turn you around. God. So I had someone look round the hole for me, and they are rather impressed with it. It's as like I suspected, it's in very good condition. And one thing I didn't realise, you can see all this plating all along the bottom here, called a shoe evidently. goes under it, down at the sides, but also, oh, I have to lay on the floor now, get covered in crap. See here, that isn't been overplated right across to the other side. Alright, it's not overplated all the way down. Obviously it didn't need it at the time, and it won't need it now, but that's quite a bonus to have that under there, which I didn't realise. Oh. Now it doesn't look like there's any, well, I can't see any rust under there, nor could the other guy. So it's looking like, I'll have a walk round, keep walking up and down here. It looks like if there's ever any plating, it will be from the inside of the tank where the water tank should sit. Well, about inside of the tank, inside the bow where the water tank goes, that may need plating, if at all, in there, and it's going to be easier than trying to do it from the outside. I've got Merlin covered up because we're supposed to have a week's worth of rain coming soon, although the sun's out at the minute. It's supposed to start tomorrow, and by the look of it, there's a good chance it's going to rain every day next week, which is great news, isn't it? So I've covered him up a bit. So the wharf, I'll show you around a bit. Well, there's a car park up there. It's a machine that they pull the boats out with. This is a boat you've seen before that's out for blacking. That's the workshops. I think they paint the boats here as well. I think they do virtually anything. That's Ollie Vera's boat. I see him earlier. Hi Ollie, if you watch this. It's a nice lot of boats here. It's a long one. All different types. There's a rather interesting wooden boat here. This one. I'm not sure if it could be a lifeboat. I'm really not sure what it is. Not something I particularly want to take on, but I haven't even looked in here yet. There's the offices over there and the shop, which is really good. We'll walk round there. I'm really impressed with this place actually, I really like it here. Suits me down to the ground. Evidently there's been a wharf here since 1820. There's some moorings over there. So they do most stuff here, most things, or everything really. I'm tempted to go down the creek. I don't fancy paying the 18 quid to get in, but I wouldn't mind taking Bess down there for a little cruise. We shall see. It's a really nice bit of the canal as well, down to creek. I don't know if you can see on here, but it's getting windier and windier. I like these little yoghurt pots as they call them. Loads of them here. I think they might even have a few of these for sale. This one's nice, I like this one. There's a kennels over the back there, although I am getting used to the dogs barking. But mine, well, Sadie, I can't even just about get her out here. She's absolutely terrified of this road. I'm surprised no one's been killed out here. It's absolutely lethal. They're not very busy now, but when it is, they all seem to do about 70 mile an hour past it. That big field there, that's where I walk the dogs. I love it in there. The grass is about 4 foot high. You watch the speed of some of these fucking cars, excuse my language, these cars. Hopefully you thought I was a speed camera. I need one up here, seriously need a speed camera. This bit especially, because you can't see what's coming that way, right? And they just cut down this road without slowing down. So if you happen to be out in the middle there, you'd be dead. Anyway, I'm off down the shop. I'll gonna get killed getting across it. I'll catch you in a video probably tomorrow or the next day. We'll see. See you later.